As a business analyst in your organization, you have a requirement to create a dataset using data from a table in one of your corporate databases. You're in the process of uploading, and on the Add Data screen, you have selected the table you want to upload. However, prior to uploading, you want to identify how you can preview, filter, and customize the data that will be available in your new dataset. To do this, click Shape Before. You can preview the data in the table, including the rows, and columns. You can preview data metrics scores for each column in the table. Using the down arrow beside each column label, you can perform multiple tasks on the column. You can view available operations and details in the Operations History Details pane. Note that this pane is open by default when the table opens in Shape Before. If you close the pane, you can open it again using the button on the toolbar. Other tasks you can perform using the down arrow beside the column label include sorting the data in the column, either ascending or descending. You can also remove a column. You can identify the data type in the columns, and if desired, convert using type conversions. With a specific column selected, you can perform many of the same tasks using the Operations tab in the Operations History Details pane, such as type conversions, and also multiple data cleansing operations. For example, you can filter rows. Using the History tab, you can view the history of all Shape Before operations performed on the table. Note that the history information provided on this tab is regardless of what column you currently have selected. As well, the history is only available for the current Shape Before session. Once the dataset is uploaded, or if the Shape Before session is cancelled, the history information will no longer be available. Using the Details tab, you can view information about the currently selected column, such as type, format, origin, and quality. Some of this information is also available as a preview at the top of the pane. Also in this area, you can change the name of the column using the Edit button. The operations you can perform in this pane will vary depending on what type of column you have selected. For example, selecting a column with numeric data reveals a different set of operations. Available operations will also be different if you have the entire table selected. Selecting the table lets you perform operations such as reordering columns, or joining data sets if you have selected multiple tables on the Add Data screen. After shaping the data, you can upload it to Watson Analytics. You can examine the dataset using the Refine feature and confirm the changes you have made.